Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn how to configure TFTP server. So TFTP server is one of the service available in the Cisco routers. So TFTP is trivial file transfer protocols. It is also same like an FTP server. It will transfer files from network devices. So let's see how to configure these services. For that I need one PC. So I require one switch. Then I need a server. So this server is available in the end devices, and there is an generic, that is a server PT. You have to select this. Now connect these devices. Now devices are connected. Assume this address is 192.168.10.10 and this address is 192.168.10.1. Let's configure this IP address. Stop IP conversions. 192.168.10.10. So this is a gateway. Let's add gateway also 10.1. So in this server, these are the services available. So that is HTTP, DHCP, and there is a tab that is TFTP. So before that, also I will configure IP address for this machine server. That is, this IP is 10.1. So no need of any gateway. So let's configure TFTP. So you have to, in this service, you have to choose TFTP. So if it is off, then you have to turn it into on state. So these by default there are so many files. So you have to remove all those files. Click remove files. Okay. Now transfer file from system to server. Now connection is established. Let's configure router to this network. So I will add one router. This address is 192.168.10.2. So this is an IP address. I will be going to configure. So command mode, no, enable config terminal. So host name ATME, interface fast Ethernet. So that interface is for 0/0. So 0/0 IP address. So 192.168.10.10. The IP address is 10.2. Subnet is 255.255.255.0. no shutdown. Now interface is up. Now it is configured. So why this TFTP server is used? So I have configured something in this router, and I have to store some backup. So this backup is stored in this server. So and this is transferred as a file. So it will give security for the configurations. So let's check the connectivity between this router and a server. Now it is failed. Now it is successful. Now we will store a backup of these configurations in this server. So you have to come into privileged mode. Command is copy. So running configuration, current configuration is the running configuration is storing into TFTP. This one is the source, and here have to choose the destination. So if we just press question mark, then these are all the destinations type. There is one is flash, another one is TFTP, another startup, another one is TFTP. So here have to choose destination is TFTP now. So then press enter. So it will ask address or name of the host. Now address is 192.168.10.1. So destination file name. So I will choose backup. Name of the file is backup. So now so you are getting a message that is 692.96 bytes is copied. So let me check this whether this bytes are copied or not. So move to this server. So select TFTP. So there is a file that is backup is available in TFTP server. This is the procedure where the file is copied from router to the server. Let's so assume so I will change some configuration in this router. Config terminal. So I will change the host name VVIT. Now it is changed. I will change the IP address also. Interface fast Ethernet 0.0. IP address is 192.168.10. Initially it is 2. Now I will change it to 10.20. So 22 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. So now check the IP address. Now IP address is becomes 192.168.10.20. So now I will restore this so backup file from this server to this routers. Once it is restored, again I will get the old reconfigurations. So old reconfiguration, the host name is ATME. Now it becomes an VVIT. So you have to be in privileged mode. Command is copy. Now source is TFTP server. So these are all the options for the source. Now my backup is available in TFTP server. Type TFTP, and the destination is so either flash memories, running configuration, or startup configurations. So now I will choose the running configuration. That is the current configuration is running. That is the destinations. Address or the host, that is 192.168.10.1 is an address of the server where backup is stored. Now the file name is backup. Destination file name as it is running configuration. Now data is copied. So once data is copied, now you see the host name. It automatically becomes an ATME. Now initially I changed it to VVIT. Now it becomes an ATME, and also see the IP address. Now it becomes a 168.10.2. So I change it to 10.20. Now it becomes 10.2. So the backup is stored from this server to this routers. This is a demonstration of TFTP servers. So where you can store all your configurations details in some server, and you can restore if something is happened to the server, or it may assume it sometimes it may crashes. So then you can restore all the configurations from server to routers. So I hope you understood these concepts. Thank you.